today's video we will fix the LG 4K monitor USB port not working, USB upstream cable and driver fix. So the fix one, you can firstly check USB upstream cable connection. Make sure the USB upstream cable is connected from the monitor to your PC. Then use the original USB-C cable that comes with the monitor if possible. After that, plug the cable and plug it back in firmly. And try a different USB port on your computer. The fix 2, you can restart the monitor and PC. Turn off the monitor, shut down your computer completely, unplug the monitor from the power outlet from 2 to 3 minutes and plug everything back in and turn it on. The fix 3, you can enable USB-C hub from monitor settings. Press the joystick or menu button under the monitor, go to settings and then look for USB or general settings and make sure the USB hub is enabled if available. The fix 4, you can update the USB driver on Windows. So press Windows plus X and select the device manager. Expand Universal Series bus controllers and then right click each USB driver and click update driver. And then restart your PC after updating. Goodbye.